And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Looking at the overall view here on our satellite and radar map, high pressure still moving eastward, and that has allowed for a little bit more clouds to work in. These are high and mid-level clouds. We'll still see some good sunshine today, but look off to the west. The cold front is getting closer and closer, and this is going to be a major cold front bringing in fall-like air, not only for Indiana, but for several states across the nation. But the rain will stay to the west today. A lot of this rain in Illinois is falling is what we call Virga, where it evaporates before it hits the surface. Still a lot of dry air in the lower levels of the atmosphere. But as you can see here, we see some clearing across the viewing area. You'll probably still see the stars shining bright as you look up in the sky this morning. But overall, though, we'll still see some good sun. And the clouds this morning are keeping things a little bit warmer. I know whenever I stepped outside this morning out of my house, you could definitely feel a little bit more warmer air out there this morning. We'll stay in the lower 60s this morning and upper 50s. 59 Crawfordsville, 64 Lafayette, 65. Good morning Attica, 64 up in Winnemac, 63 right now in Kokomo. So the rest of today, again, we will be dry. We'll still see some good sunshine, 85 degrees by 3. 86, a couple degrees cooler, as I mentioned yesterday. Today, where we hit 88 at the Purdue Airport yesterday, slightly cooler, but still well above normal. Will be a little bit more windy as well, with winds out of the southwest gusting 25-30 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be a downright cloudy, soggy day with really solid rain chance from after 9 to about 3-4 o'clock, and then things will start to come to an end by 6. But temperatures won't be moving much, upper 60s, lower 70s for high temperatures tomorrow due to the increased clouds and rain that we will see. So let's time this out with Futurecast. Notice today we'll keep those mid-high level clouds in. We'll still see some good sun, but once we get to tonight, more overcast conditions will start to work in tomorrow morning. This is 6 o'clock waking up Thursday. And then we talk about some scattered, isolated rain chances for your morning commute up until 9. But watch what happens whenever we get to lunchtime. We have widespread rain, and I think this is a big difference from what we've seen the last several rounds of storms that we've had. This will be a more widespread. Everybody will get some rain out of the system for tomorrow afternoon. Going into 3 o'clock, notice a line of showers and storms. Nothing severe, may have a quick wind gust, some heavy rainfall, and then this will work out by 6, and then we'll be seeing clear skies by Thursday night into Friday. That'll be cold front number 1. Notice the northwest wind now coming in Friday morning, but then Friday night into Saturday, we'll watch another cold front move through that may give us, yes, I know high school football may have maybe an isolated light shower, a few sprinkles possible Friday evening, early Saturday. So we'll watch for that, but the main system for Thursday may bring in about half of an inch of rain, pushing about maybe an inch and a quarter. I think some of these numbers are a little bit too high, but an inch and a quarter looks fairly decent with some of the heavier storms that we may experience in the viewing area. So our 7 to 10 day forecast, soggy day tomorrow, 72, near normal temperatures, and then below normal for the next several days after Thursday, 66, isolated shower in the evening. And then the weekend, it looks great if you're heading out to the Feast of the Hunter's Moon. Saturday, 57, morning low, Sunday morning, 36 with a high of 58. Partly sunny to mostly sunny skies by Sunday. And then as we get to your 10-day forecast, we'll continue to see 60s and then 70s going into next week, with likely our next best chance of rain working in by possibly Thursday night into Friday of next week, Joe.
All right, well, tomorrow you're thinking everybody gets some rain. We're all going to be the lucky ones.
Yes, I think we'll all see some decent rain tomorrow for sure for all of us. But again, the big story will be the big cool down.
Yeah.
That's after this. We have to go back to May 4th since we saw temperatures in the 30s.
Okay, May 4th.
So it's been a while.
That was probably pretty cool for May, wasn't it?
Yeah, 35 degrees was when we hit that. So that was our last 30s, but we'll likely see it here
Lots
this
of
weekend.
crazy weather we've been having. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, David. Well, hey.